And
Yes.
then that Scrum Master will separate themselves from others, right? As opposed to AI is replacing their job on their own. But like, should all of us, I think I encourage everybody to be playing around and try. We're definitely at that. To me, it's like it could be, it may not, it may be a fad and peter out, but it's kind of like it could be the cusp of the internet. It could be the cusp. I remember when 3D printing came out and it was like, oh, let's play around with this. And there's some novelty to it and there's some cool things you can do, but it never turned into the huge. But I mean, there actually, I will say there are some hardware or physical spaces that are using 3D printing to do early prototyping in an agile way that would not have that. So it did have some places of disruption, but I think if you're not, you may get left behind if you are not trying to figure out right now and playing around with different prompts and different things that you might do in that space.
I mean, if I may, I really don't think that's any different than what we've seen over the course of history.